All right, everyone. Welcome to today's charting session. I hope that you had a rested weekend, no? Nakapagpahinga kayo na maayos, ready kayo for the market this week. And of course, good luck to start the week. Sana lahat po tayo ay maging profitable this week. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam, what we do here is we look at yung mga trending names. Usually, we get that from yung listahan na pinoprovide ng Instagrams. And if you use Instagrams as your charting provider, as your charting software, then you usually find that list on the right-hand side of your screen. Also, tumatanggap po tayo ng mga chart requests. So kung meron po kayong mga chart requests, mga di pa po natin na pag-uusapan, please post them in the comment section below. And I promise I'll get to all of them. Okay, I may not be as fast as some people want me to be, but I will go through all of them, no? So this week, let's start off with PHA. So PHA, ano nga ba nangyari? Nabutas tayo. So this can actually be brought down na dito. Okay? Nabutas tayo. We broke itong level of support na to. So, diba, it came down, broke our original support here. Tapos, nag-hold sandali, nag-form siya ng bullish engulfing. Tapos, nagbaba na naman. So, I brought down that level of support na dapat nandito to dito na. Kasi nagbuo tayo ng swing low eh. So, we came down, tested it from underneath twice. So far, hindi pa tumatagos. No? Kapag patuloy ito bumaba, as we discussed before, it might come down and fill this gap here. Okay, kaya wala akong drawing na guhit dyan kasi yun yung binabantayan ko na pwedeng puntahan ng price kung tuluyan pa siyang bumaba. Somewhere within that gap. Okay? So, ang kailangan nating makita dito, if we're bullish ng PHA, is for price to actually come back up. Okay? Create some type of new high. Maghanap tayo ng pullback, mag-hold, mag-push higher. Doon, baka medyo magkaroon tayo ng konting kumpiyansa na baka nagkakaroon tayo ng some type of reversal. Rather than trying to catch it na wala lang, dahil lang, ay baka mura na eh. So sasalo tayo, tapos wala, parang ganito, grinding downwards lang, lalo lang mayari yung mga accounts natin. So I would rather wait for some type of confirmation. Ang isa siguro na pwede nating makita is your price to reclaim etong level na to, which is 63, no? Reclaim 63, start holding above it, then maybe we can form a range here. Okay? Now, that's a wide range. That's from 63 to 80, no? Pero we do need to recognize na meron tayong mga minor resistances na pwedeng tamaan along the way. Okay? They're not major resistances kasi wala namang key swing or anything. It's just that I can't see them here and I'm sure that if we go down to lower time frames, magiging mas obvious siya. So, that's just something to watch out for. Right now, it's still looking quite bearish. Wala pang signs of reversal at least on this particular time frame. So, kung may hawak kayo, basta sundan nyo lang yung plano nyo. Kung kinakailangan cut, edi cut. Diba? Kung tumaas, di congratulations sa inyo. And always, as yung like ko ang sinasabi, syempre good luck pa rin. Kung kunwari, ganun nga yung situation dahil wala naman tayong gustong nalulugi dito. Gusto natin lahat kumikita, no? Wala tayong talangkaan. Moving on, let's do EMP. So, EMP was a requested chart and wala pa rin nangyayari, no? Since we last looked at this, nagko-conso pa rin tayo sa area na to. As I said before, what I want to see para masabi nating mas bullish na ulit is a break dito sa 19.2. So, we can start pushing to the upside. Tapos yung next major resistance natin, if mabasag yan, is 22. Yung 22, galing siya, idalhin ko na sa weekly para, okay? Itong level na to. Kasi kapag dito sa weekly time frame, isang dire-diretsong baksak lang yan eh. So kapag mabasag natin tong 19.2, at least on this time frame, it opens up this area. Okay? Now, dito sa daily, nagko-conso pa tayo, so yan pa rin. Wait for a break ng 19.2, see if mag-hold, then see if may possible trade to take us up to 22. Ang ayaw nating makita if we're bullish ng EMP is for it to break down nitong 17.5, start holding beneath it, break down ng 16.5, tas parang essentially nangyayari is nag-i-stair step pababa. So this is a bit more detailed than yung sinabi ko before, no? Sinabi ko lang ayaw ko makita ma-break to, but essentially ang nakikita ko, pagka ganito yung situation, usually kung mabasag siya to the downside, either it stair steps like this, or walang pahinga. Isang malakas. Diba? But I do feel na mag-i-stair step siya kasi we grinded upwards eh. So kapag bumaba yan, malamang pwedeng mag-grind din lang yan pababa. So kung kinakailangan mag-cut, hopefully mabibigyan ng opportunity mag-cut. Syempre, hindi naman yun yung gusto natin mangyari, no? But ang gusto lang natin, prepared tayo for any and all scenarios para if mangyari man yung ayaw natin mangyari, eh alam natin kung ano yung gagawin natin. Hindi tayo mag-freeze. Okay? But so far, no changes. You can watch previous videos and apply everything I said there as well, or you can just watch this video. Next, let's look at IMI. So IMI, essentially what happened was we formed an inverted head and shoulders here, no? Diba? We broke up to this side. As I mentioned before, nung palubog to, I was kind of hoping na makuha ko siya dito, yung redip. Kaso di umabot eh, no? Nauna siya ng konti. I was hoping for a deeper pullback. Tapos tumuloy na. Came back up. Untog tayo dito sa resistance at 9.28. Then nag-roll over na naman tayo. Ang isa sa nakikita kong pwedeng mangyari is baka mag-isa na naman siyang inverted head and shoulders. Paulit lang. Something like that. Kasi lumalabas ngayon, because of the current structure, we want to see a break of 9.28 para mag-open up tong area na to, papuntang 9.85. Hindi pa kasi natin alam anong mangyayari ngayon eh. Pwedeng, yes, yung ito, yung parang inverted head and shoulders, pwede rin na mag-range muna siya ng malaki. 'Di ba? Hindi pa buo yung structure para mapangunahan natin ng ganun. But ideally, what we want is hindi na to mabasag sa swing low na to. Kasi if this breaks, and highly likely, we come back and target yung low nitong inverted na head. Tapos kapag mabasag pa yan, odds are we take out this entire white area, tapos palalim na. Papunta na tayo ng 6.5, then this deeper white zone here. Okay? But for now, yun nga, nagkaroon tayo ng inverted head and shoulders, pull back, baka mag-isa pa. Diba? Magbuo lang siya ng structure. Let's see if we can ride that upwards kung mabuo man yung structure na yun. And sama-sama natin tignan. No? Next, let's look at Ali. So Ali, as we mentioned before, it's stuck within the larger range, di ba? Stuck within this larger range here. But kahit ayaw nyo yun, sabihin natin, hindi kasi na-breakout na niya to. So pwede rin naman na nag-pullback, nag-range dito konti, nag-breakout, bumalik sa previous range. Essentially, inverted head and shoulders na naman. So, same thing. Habang nag-range siya dito, baka mas mahirap siyang i-trade kasi hindi pa desidido yung price kung ano ba talaga gusto niyang gawin eh. Yes, you can try kung gusto niyong mag-range trade to buy as close dito sa 34.5 na area. But, konting ingat lang kasi baka pag nabasag yan altogether, baka bumalik tayo at dito na naman tayo sa previous range. What I wanna see from here, para lang mas malinis, is ma-break na natin to. Mag-open up na tong range sa taas. Okay? Para maging mas bullish yung itsura. Kasi right now, yes, it's tradable. Yes, it's more bullish than bearish. But it is still within this range here. If sabihin naman natin, mabasag nga siya to the downside, tapos mag-conso tayo dito, tapos mabasag tong baba, then we might come target 31. And if that breaks, mga dito na tayo sa mga support levels na to. Okay? And then finally, let's take a quick look at MEG. So MEG has been moving higher, no? So we broke out of itong level of resistance na to. Diba? Broke out, came back underneath, tested it, nag-hold, tapos nag-break na naman, bumalik na naman. Tapos nag-hold na naman tong 3. Anong level to? 3.31 or 3.3 na level. So maaari na ang nangyayari ay nagko-consume muna siya dito, buwelo. So para kapag linapitan niya itong 3.5, kaya nating basagin and possibly move up dito sa 3.70 something na area all the way up hanggang maybe 4. Okay, but for now, tignan muna natin anong gagawin niya. Kasi it's also possible na from here, magbuo lang tayo ng parang head and shoulders pattern. Comes here, test, break underneath to the downside. So yun yung ayaw nating makita. Either magbuo siya ng parang ganito, or sabihin natin from here, mabasag sa ilalim, test underneath, hold, break. Okay? Yan yung ayaw nating makita. Kasi kapag ganito, either baka matrap na naman tayo dito sa previous range na to, or we come back to this range down below, below 3 pesos hanggang mga 2.7 na area. Okay? So, yun lang yung sa MEG. So far, it's looking a bit more bullish than anything else, no? But again, I just want to be careful. This is what I'll be watching out for. And if I was waiting for a potential buy signal, then for me, wala pa. Yes, you can buy habang nagko-conso dito. Hope it breaks. But for me, mahirap kasi yung targetin, yung next target, kumbaga, yung resistance is at 3.5, 3.56. Tapos yung stop for me na malinis won't be here. Kasi isipin nyo, kung i-stop nyo dito sa 3.2, you're essentially stopping out into this level of previous resistance turned support here. Diba? So parang kung yan, nag-break beneath this ng konti, cut na, parang mali Ito pa rin yung invalidation level mo below 3. So bibili ako anywhere at 3.3 area to make it to 3.5 so that I'll be risking 20 cents. Tapos ang potential loss ko is 30 cents. So hindi maganda yung risk reward. So for me, I wouldn't be looking for an entry here just because mahirap siyang hanapan ng stop loss. To those who have been watching me for a while, you know I don't like yung mga arbitrary na stop loss, yung mga tipong, basta pag 5% stop na. Kasi it doesn't make sense to me dahil we spend so much time studying yung structure, studying yung technical analysis, tapos i-ignore lang natin lahat yon when it comes to stops. That just doesn't make sense. Especially because depende sa pagpresyo ng isang stock, yung 5% ng isa, baka sobrang laki na, yung 5% ng isa, parang ang liit lang ng ginalaw, parang it just feels wrong. Okay? So, yan po yung tinitignan natin sa MEG. Okay, so guys, dito po nagtatapos yung video natin. I hope kahit papano po ay nakatulong to sa inyo. And you found it educational or at the very least, entertaining man lang ng konti, no? And as always, maraming salamat po sa panonood. I really appreciate it. Good luck and happy trading!